Alright, what we are going to do is the review of sonoanatomy of axillary nerve block. What you are seeing here is the axillary artery, alright, and with the gentle pressure you see the vein over there, the axillary vein, which is this, is getting compressed and completely disappearing with the pressure. Alright, another thing is that this ligamentous line-like structure is the conjoint tendon, okay, which is formed by latissimus dorsi and teres minor. So above this, the area of interest. If nobody knows anything and just want to block axillary nerve, you can just bring the needle and keep the needle over here. He can have a very good fair response of the axillary block. Now, in relation to this axillary artery, the nerves are all around it. If you see carefully, all right, axillary artery, this is one bunch of nerve, this is another, probably this is one, and this is one. Just below the axillary artery, most of the time, radial nerve lies. The posterior cord is the posterior one, all right, and this has to be median and this has to be ulnar. Now in this case, I am probably quite higher up, and that is why the radial, ulnar and median are here, and whatever nerve you are seeing here is the musculocutaneous nerve. Sonographically, it is one of the brightest nerve of the body. So in between this bicep brachii and coracobrachialis, this nerve is the musculocutaneous nerve. So effectively what we are doing, we are blocking 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, 4 nerves. So this is one of the ideal nerve block to start learning. So while doing axillary, actually you are doing 4 different direction of nerve block. So let's see how it is done. This is how the needle comes first over the conjoint tendon. I stay there somewhere there in the radial area and so in that radial area I started giving some local anesthetic. I don't see any nerve there. So probably radial is upstairs. It is here up. So what I am going to do is bring the needle over the conjoint tendon and give some local anesthetic, good 3 to 5 ml over there. And you see there is more distension, and all these 3 nerves are getting bathed from below. And local anesthetic is spreading downstairs, I mean below the nerve. So in the next video, what we will do is, now this area is finished. Now in this needle, I'll take over the artery, the axillary artery. I'll try to negotiate and find a space and inject some local anesthetic. My aim is to go below here. So all this area, whatever liquid over there, local anesthetic over there, it will track down over there, all right, in this way. So all these 3 nerve roots, we considered median, ulnar and radial at the top of the, which is not a regular finding. Radial you usually find over here, but it is here in this patient. So what we did is local anesthesia below this. Now next is, how does it look? All these 3 nerves are getting bathed over the needle. Can you see that? Total, this will be a sure shot sign that it's going to work. Now target is this, the 4th one. So how do you do the 4th one? We bring our needle here and little bit of local anesthetic, 3 to 4 ml is enough. Below the musculocutaneous nerve, this is the musculocutaneous nerve, and 1 or 2 ml above once you find the plane. So our axillary block is finished. So what we did again, if you see, we bring our needle and we brought our needle and we went there, and fast forward, we gave the local anesthetic over there, and we coming back, what we did is this. Then we went with this, again fast forward, we went there, okay, needles, I'm getting it faster so that, so below part is over. Now the above those nerve roots to form the donut. So it's given there. So mostly we finish the block with the musculocutaneous. Again, fast forward. Okay, one block there. Okay, 2 ml below and 2 ml above the. So these are in fast forward motion. So what we did. So basically, what we did is radial, ulnar, median, and musculocutaneous, 4 different nerve in 4 different directions. We blocked it. And one more thing I want to say that this is the conjoint tendon, and if you bring your needle and you don't see radial, you just deposit local anesthesia over here below the artery, and once the artery is lifted up, because 99% of the time radial nerve sits over here or somewhere on the conjoint tendon like this in this part. Okay, so thank you very much, hope you will like it.